Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So do you want this type of money? If one t-shirt sale and you can make 250, if 1000 t-shirt sale you can make lots of money just selling a t-shirt. But how you can do? So give you the example and also payment proof and also all the details step by step in this video, how you can sell a t-shirt and make a lots money from online opportunity. And you can start online business and t-shirt business by selling t-shirt and make lots money, but you don't need to any investment and also any money and any skill. And you can do this type of t-shirt design and sell on this website and make lots commission with absolutely free. And you can give you can see the lots of t-shirt design, and this such design are selling on this website and making money from this site. How I guess I give you the example how you can make money by this type of doing design on this t-shirt. So friends, let's see. The site is known as teespring.com. Teespring actually is a e-commerce website. The lots of people all over the world are selling t-shirt and making profit from this site. And these teespring are available from worldwide. You can go anywhere, you can go to this teespring and you can purchase t-shirt from here. But friends, we don't need to purchase, we sell here and make profit from this site. If you see the sell anything, friends, we see a lots of features are available in this website. But today we see t-shirt, how you can sell t-shirt in this teespring.com and making money from this site. So friends, first you need to sign up or start designing. And you if you register on this site, and you first need to logging on this site. If I click here, say if I log in my site, I go to this homepage of this teespring.com, and then you can start making money by selling t-shirt. You can see, yes, this is my homepage. And if you click this stores, you can see my stores. I making design, this is my design are already making and also published on this website. And when the people purchase my design, and I can make a commission from this site and also a lots money from this site. Friends, how you can make this type of money by selling this type of t-shirt? Friend, if you start to making money, if one needs to create a register in this teespring.com, then this come to this homepage. You can see, yes, this product order, zero profit and $0 paid. Because I just log in and I just recently published my designing t-shirt. Friend, you if you selling t-shirt on this website, you go to this new product. You can see here, create something new now. If you click here, you can see the lot of template are available. You can see this is this template, and you can see, friends, this is my designing. I can share my link. I click here and share my Facebook, and anywhere the people purchase and making money from this site. But how you can do this type of design? If you click this create, and you can go to this site, you can see here the lots of product template are available. But we need to t-shirt. If you can search, yes, t-shirt, you can see the lots of t-shirts, especially for uh, I find is main. If you click, this is the template. You can start designing on this t-shirt and selling on this.com. This is this template. You can see the lots of t-shirt are available. If you click one of this t-shirt and I click this start designing, and you can see this is the t-shirt, and this is the front fridge, and you can see that this is the back side of this t-shirt, but we need to front page. If we click this front page, and first, friends, we need to design on this t-shirt, but how you can make a designing beautiful designing. So it will give you an website that you can make a lots more money by selling t-shirt. And also this site is known as this canva.com. If you come to this site, and this is a designing website, you go to this template and you come to this t-shirt, and if you click here, and you, for friends, you need to sign up in this site, and then you can start. You can see the lots of t-shirt designing are available. You can click, this is this paid, but we need to free. This is this free. You can download this and also paste on this t-shirt. You can and you can sell on this t-shirt, but we need to make my own design. If you, this is the create a blank t-shirt. If I click here, and I create a new designing, and if you go to this background, you can change this background of this design, and I choose is this. There's lots of background, free background are available. I click this background, and you can see is, and also something images, and I click here, element, and I click here ghost. You can see the free images are available. You can copy any of these, and I can see, and this is my t-shirt designing and making on this website, and you can see this is this ghost, and so simple friends. You can make a beautiful designing on this site, and then you can go to this text, and also add some text in this website. I can see is I can add some text on this site, and you can change also these colors of this text, and I can change these colors, and you can also change this animation, and you can also change, and you can also change this site, and also you can all this doing something, and I can see, can change this site. So this is my images I already, and then you can download these images. I give you the all the details how you can sell a t-shirt by doing beautiful design. So friends, this video is long, so keep watching this video at the end of this video. If you download this, and then you can mm, go to this site of this teespring.com, and you can drag this, and you can drop this on this t-shirt, and you can see is that this is the beautiful t-shirt designing, and you can also change this size of this t-shirt, and you can doing simply here. And this is the designing t-shirt. If you see the preview of this t-shirt, you can see this is this preview of this t-shirt. And if you sell on this website, and you can, this is this t-shirt, and this t-shirt is price is a $28.99, and if one person purchase this t-shirt, you can make a profit $12.30. If 1000 people purchase this, you can make a lots more money from one t-shirt. Then if you want to upload on this website, and you go to this continue, and you can see this upload on this website, and you can see the lots more short arts added on your designing. And even if you add your design with accessories, and you can also add the home furnitures. You can also add your design. Lots of people come to your design and purchase your design, and you can make profit from this website. Then you can continue. You can see this is my designing. I sell 1% is buy. I can make a $13.15, and this t-shirt at $12.3, and then I continue publishing. If I publish on the first, you need to title. I give this title, and this is my title, and I give some description, and also some add some title. You can add some beautiful title, and you can also edit. And this is this URL of this teaser. You can copy this URL and share anywhere in the purchase people, and you can make profit, and you can publish it on this website. This is the can your great design will be live shortly, and you can see your design will available on this from front page of this website, and you can share anywhere in this. You can just copy in this link, and you can share anywhere, and you can make profit from this website. This website is displaying similar me, and you can make lots more money from this website. You can see is if one purchase is choose in your study, this they can see the all this details your t-shirt. You can see this t-shirt $28.99 if one person purchase, and they can add code on the all the details. You can see this is my design are available with the help of one t-shirt. So friends, this is the best opportunity to making a business in online opportunity without any investment. If you want to this start this business, you can come to this site and sign up and start business without any investment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.